It's early in the morning. It is a Wednesday. The markets are about to open right behind me, and it's all about the Fed. And it's also time for your ModernWallStreet.com AM Anticipation Report. Now, U.S. stock index futures pointing to a positive open this Wednesday morning, helped by somewhat of a recovery in Chinese stocks, and as the spotlight has turned to the end of the U.S. Federal Reserve's two-day meeting. Now, the Fed expected to dominate this session as investors are trying to assess just when might the central bank start lifting interest rates. The Fed expected to issue its statement on monetary policy 2 p.m. Eastern with no news conference scheduled afterwards. Meanwhile, Chinese stocks rallying as investors cheered Beijing's efforts to stabilize a relatively volatile stock market. And back here in the U.S., June pending home sales figures, they're due at 10 o'clock in the morning. And weekly mortgage applications, they barely moved this morning for the second week in a row, rising just 0.8%. And in the corporate front, Twitter in focus today after the microblogging firm shares falling more than 10% in after-hours trade yesterday following comments from company executives. CFO of Twitter, Anthony Noto, said the firm would not see sustained, meaningful user growth for a considerable period of time. The day ahead also sees a series of earnings from big-name companies, including MasterCard, GlaxoSmithKline, Nissan, and Samsung, all on the calendar.